It's 12:10 p.m. Tuesday, August the 2nd, 2016. I'm just recording some of the sounds that I hear when I have my front door open. And so now I'm going to just be quiet for a while. I'm hoping to be able to pick up one particular noise from an insect because I've been hearing it all morning. And naturally, now that I've got this on, it's not around. So, again, I'm just going to be quiet. That is the noise that I was talking about. But that's at a low noise of what it makes. He's to the right of my door as I step out, or she, over in that area. Oh, I've got a car coming. I want to see if it's going to do it again. It is now 7 minutes into the video. Here it comes. That one is about a medium of his or her noise. And believe me, it's been louder than that. But I do believe this is what my... Oh, here it comes again. What my, two of my special family friends, Bro and Sis, John and Jer Brady, that live in Louisiana, what they were talking about and showed a picture of. But this is the noise. He had also given me a link to hear the noise, and it sounded like what I was hearing here. And so I thought, well, I'll try to get it on video. So I'm glad. Now the little hammering you're hearing is my neighbor Diane, helper, or both of them are hammering to chop up some ice. That's the only time I hear her in the kitchen. That's when I know everything's okay. She and I, we keep an eye on each other. She's also part native, and I'm part native. She's adopted, and I'm adopted, so we got a lot in common. I'm going to see if it'll do it one more time, and then I'll close the video off. We're into 10-minute video now. Like I said, this is mainly the video that making for that sound of that insect. Here it comes again. Oh, again, it's doing it low. Picking up. Okay, I'm going to stop it for now and see how this turns out. So anyway, aloha, blessings, mwah. Later, Gator.